Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome back to Electropixels. This is a 32-inch Samsung LED TV. In this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture. While checking the TV, we can see that the picture is flickering with low brightness. Mostly these types of complaints are mainly due to backlight-related faults. See, this is the model number of the TV. Now we already opened the TV back cover. Now we need to disconnect all sockets, LVDS cables, etc. Finally, here we open the panel frame. Here you can notice that this is the backlight strips. Tvrepair total 2 LED backlights are used in this TV. While checking with the LED checker, here it's confirmed that only LED backlight strip is working. Here is result. We are going to replace the entire backlights with new one, because this is the one and only permanent solution. These are the new backlights. Now let's install it. Finally, installation work is completed. Now all sockets are connected back to TV. Now let's start the TV. See, now picture comes and the TV is working properly without any flickering problems. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.